Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Usman, roll number 1935. My presentation topic is inorganic solar cell and subpart is crystalline silicon solar cell. Crystalline silicon solar cell. Crystalline silicon is the crystalline form of silicon, either polycrystalline silicon or monocrystalline silicon. It is the dominant semiconducting material used in photovoltaic technology for the production of solar cells. These cells are assembled into solar panels as part of a photovoltaic system to generate solar power from sunlight. In electronics, crystalline silicon, typically monocrystalline form of silicon, is used for producing microchips. This silicon contains much lower impurity level than those required for solar cells. Solar cells made of crystalline silicon are often called conventional, traditional or first generation solar cells, as they were developed in 1950s and remain the most common type up to the present time. Because they are produced from 160 to 190 micrometer thick solar wafer slices from bulk of solar grade silicon, that's why they are sometimes called wafer based solar cells. Solar cells made of crystalline silicon are single junction cells and are generally more efficient than their rival technologies. Monocrystalline silicon solar cell. Monocrystalline silicon is a form in which the crystal structure is homogeneous throughout the material. The orientation, lattice parameter and electronic properties are constant throughout the material. Monocrystalline silicon is fabricated in the form of silicon wafers and can be quite expensive depending on the radial size of desired single crystal wafer, around $200 for a 300 mm silicon wafer. Polycrystalline silicon solar cell. Polycrystalline silicon is composed of many smaller silicon grains of varied crystallographic orientation, typically greater than 1 mm in size. This material can be synthesized easily by allowing liquid silicon to cool using a seed crystal of the desired crystal structure. Difference between monocrystalline and polycrystalline cells. Monocrystalline cell. Solar cells that are created from monocrystalline are single crystal technology, or crystals that grow in only one plane or one direction are monocrystalline cells. Solar cells that are created from polycrystalline or multicrystalline technology are grown in multiple directions are polycrystalline cells. Single crystallines are more expensive to manufacture and typically have a slightly higher efficiency than do conventional polycrystalline cells. Conventional multicrystalline solar cells typically have a slightly lower efficiency than resulting in larger individual cells. That's it. Thank you.